Okay, so today I'll be doing a taste. Alright, so today I'll be doing a taste test. My friend got me some items from Korea. The ones I haven't eaten or left over are the Beatles and the real old brownies. The market old real brownies. This, let me see how you say it, is Liu Brownie. I think that's right. So, and then we have the Beatles, which is Beatles. Hold on. I got this. Beatles. You say that right too. Oh yeah, it's a good day. Good day. And today I will start off with, I don't know, because they're both, I don't want one taste to affect the other. I guess I'll start with the brownie because candy has an aftertaste worse than brownies, I guess. It stays longer, like the taste. So I'll get started with brownies. And I will record this part through Google Glass. Okay, so I'm going to start with the brownies first. Extend that video. Okay, so first we have the brownies. Going to open that up. Open. Do you want to press it or? Oh, it's a bunch of mini brownies. Holy crap. Okay, market old brownie stored. Brownie is 1892. I don't know. Oh man, I'm disappointed. But anyways, we got a bunch of mini brownies. That's why I brought a plate out, because I thought it was gonna be like a bunch of brownies in a plastic bag. Oh man, this packaging is nice. This is nice. We gotta take a step up in America. We don't have none of this. Or if we do, it's not where I'm at. Oh, I can't pull that out. I guess that's it. So it's real brownies. Real love make real brownies. Cool. So let's see. I don't know if they're all the same, but I'm gonna start with the one I have the most of, just in case they're not the same, and that is this one. All right. I'm doing all this shaking and stuff in the video. Okay, brownies. Oh, and it's still soft. Like what? Oh, okay, okay. Tastes like a brownie. Now, what does this? I'm trying to think. What does this remind me of? It's like, I don't know. It's like a Hershey's chocolate mixed with a brownie texture. Pretty good. I was going to share these with some friends, but not anymore. Okay, fine. The rest of this real quick. That's pretty good. These out. Boom, 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 boom. Okay. So here we go. So we have purple, yellow, orange, and green. Purple, yellow, orange, and green. Fuck, I'm missing the color, even though this is it. So yeah. So I'm gonna start with the purple one first. It tastes like a now and later. I like now and laters. Tastes like a purple now and later mixed with a red one. It's really weird, but I like it though. It's like having a whole now later, like the ones that are like this big in this size. It's like, whoa! Like I'm still chewing it right now. Like if it was Skittles, I would have been mad because this is all I get. And Skittles, it's like I'd have been done by now, but I'm not. All right, here go the yellow one. Taste is sort of between It's like between a lime flavor with a little bit of lemon and a banana. I like that. But I like the purple one better so far. So I'm gonna leave that one over there. Okay. And it's still there. Like, this is fucking, I mean, this is amazing. I was about to curse right there because that's how great it is. Alright, so we got a purple one now. No, we have an orange one now. I have an orange one. I don't know my colors. Tastes just like a Skittle. Tastes just like a Skittle. The green one? I don't really like the green one. Yeah, flavor. I'm fine. No, I just don't really like the green one now. It's just there.